Are you looking for the best offset smoker under $2,000? In this video we will look at some of the best offset smoker under $2,000 on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Royal Gourmet CC 1830SC. This grill is a beast with a whopping 811 square inches of cooking space, featuring 443 square inches of porcelain enameled steel wire cooking grates, a 184 square inches chrome-plated warming rack, and another 184 square inches dedicated to the offset smoker. Speaking of the smoker, it's cleverly attached to the grill to ensure optimal heat and smoke circulation, and a convenient side door makes it easy to add charcoal and remove ashes. But that's not all. This grill gives you control with a 2-level height adjustable charcoal pan, allowing you to manage heat effectively and accommodating up to 4.4 pounds of coal. The lid-mounted thermometer gauge is your trusty companion, helping you keep a close eye on the cooking temperature with confidence. Number 2. Dyna-Glo Signature Series DGSS 1382 VCS. This heavy-duty grill extension provides a whopping 1382 square inches of cooking space, giving you plenty of room to unleash your culinary creativity. The offset grill adds an additional 284 square inches for those who like to mix up their cooking styles. Equipped with 5 chrome-plated steel cooking grates, each with a 17 inches diameter, this setup ensures durability and even heat distribution. It's specifically designed to complement Dyna-Glo smoker models DGSS 1382 VCS-D and DGSS 1382 VCS, forming a powerhouse combination for barbecue enthusiasts. Number 3. Char-Broil 12201570A1. The Char-Broil 12201570A1. It's not just a mouthful to say, it's also a versatile cooking companion. This combo offset smoker, BBQ, and charcoal grill bring a total of 290 square inches of cooking surface in the main chamber, with an additional 140 square inches in the firebox chamber. Adjustability is the name of the game here, with an adjustable height steel fire grate and a clean outdoor for easy ash removal. Plus, the built-in damper is a nice touch for controlling the heat, making it a birthday gift for any BBQ enthusiast. Cheers to a year of flavorful grilling. Number 4. Royal Gourmet CC 1830F. The Royal Gourmet CC 1830F is a versatile charcoal grill designed to elevate your outdoor cooking experience. Boasting a generous cooking space of 823 square inches, this grill offers a well-thought-out design to meet various culinary needs. The cooking surface includes 443 square inches of porcelain enameled steel wire cooking grates, 191 square inches of chrome-plated warming rack, and 189 square inches of offset smoker. This ample space allows you to grill and smoke simultaneously, providing a seamless cooking process. The grill's performance is enhanced by the firm combination of the offset smoker, ensuring excellent results for both grilling and smoking meat. The heat control system is a standout feature, featuring a 2-level height adjustable charcoal pan that facilitates better heat control. This, coupled with a cooking chamber that maintains internal temperature and prevents air loss, contributes to an optimal cooking environment.